make sure you put all the screws together, because you don't want to lose any screw. Yeah, hello guys, I just want to show you guys how you can clean your dryer lint. You can see, but there is more inside here, which is what people are trying to sell you, what you can use to clean it. You have to unscrew here, unscrew this place, then inside here there's another screw here, there's another screw here. When you do that, then you can take this out and clean it better. You see what I got from inside the dryer? I'm going to use some wipes and wipe it well, including the inside. And I'm going to use this and clean the inside too. So I want you to see the inside now. You can see the inside now is clean. I'm going to put this back, so I have to put it like this. Because of this, you put it this way. So then you come here, use this one, put this one back. Make sure it laps together. Now you can see how the inside is. And see how clean it is now.